morning, my lovely souls. So today's EFT tapping is about forgiveness and letting go. So just think about the person or anything you want to forgive and just let go to heal yourself. We'll move with the round number 1, acknowledging the hurt and pain. Even though I feel this weight of hurt and pain within me, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I struggle to forgive and let go, I honor my feelings and accept myself fully. Even though forgiveness seems impossible right now, I acknowledge my pain and choose to release it. Take a deep breath in. Now we'll move on the meridian tappings. This hurt is heavy within me. It's hard to forgive. I feel this pain deeply. I'm holding on to resentment. It's weighing me down. But I choose to release it. Even if it's hard right now, I deserve to let it go and move forward. Take a deep breath in and release. Now assess your level of emotional distress on a scale of 0 to 10. Meanwhile, we'll move to round number 2. Cultivating the self-compassion, right? Even though forgiveness feels out of reach, I am willing to show myself compassion. Even though I have been holding on to this pain, I choose to nurture myself with love and kindness. Even though I struggle to forgive, I deeply value my journey toward healing. I forgive myself for not being ready to forgive. It's okay to take my time. I honor my healing process. I deserve compassion. I am worthy of forgiveness. I choose to release this burden and embrace myself with tenderness. I am worthy of peace and freedom. I am worthy of peace and freedom. I am worthy of peace and freedom. Take another deep breath in and out. Now we'll move with the last round where we'll be inviting the forgiveness and letting go. Even though forgiveness feels daunting, I'm open to the possibility of letting go. Even though I have held on to this pain for so long, I choose to release it now. Even though it's been hard to forgive, I am ready to invite peace into my heart. I release this pain from my heart. I let go of resentment. Forgiveness is a gift I give myself. I choose peace over anger. I release the past and embrace the present. I forgive myself and others. I am free to move forward. With forgiveness, I find liberation. With forgiveness, I find liberation. With forgiveness, I find liberation. Take a deep breath in and tune into your inner state. Notice any shifts in your feelings of forgiveness and letting go. Remember to drink water, take deep breaths, and be gentle with yourself as you go through this process. Thank you for tuning in. Have a nice day.